Hey Rise Sisters, I am so excited to share with you that the Sparkle and Rise 100-Day Goal Journal digital version is live. It is in the Etsy shop and I am so excited to share it with you. Now, before I talk to you a little bit more about what you will find in the journal, I did want to share that for Rise Sisters, you get a 15% discount until this Sunday. So Monday is actually the official launch. And between now and Sunday night, before Monday morning, if you enter the code Rise Sister in at checkout, you will get 15% off. So the digital goal journal is something that Janice Swanson and I have been working on for months. It is the process that I use to achieve my goals. It has absolutely worked for me. It's worked for the women that I coach and work with, and I cannot wait to hear about the exciting things you do to create your dream life. It's really all about the small steps we take every day, and there's magic in that 100-day time period because it's enough time that we can accomplish something substantial, and it's not enough time that we have time to waste. So what I have for you, if you click the image down below, you are going to get a free printable that talks about 100-day goals. So there's a 5-step process on how you create your 100-day goals. And I also share with you at the end of the printable what the journaling prompts are inside of the 100-day goal journal. If you click on the link to the Etsy shop, you can also see some images of what it looks like so you know exactly what you're buying. I will tell you I've used the digital version, and you can use it as a PDF on your tablet with a stylus. You can't type on it. It's entirely meant to be written on, like as if you had a paper notebook in front of you. And it does work better in Note Shelf, or I think the other one is Good Notes, although you can use it as just a straight PDF. So check out the How to Create Your 100-Day Goals free printable by clicking the link below. And I would love it if you would purchase a digital goal journal and leave me a review. When you're out on the shop, the Etsy shop, if you love the shop, please, give it a heart as one of your favorites. That helps with the algorithms. And then if you can favorite the goal journal, that would help me out as well. We are going to be doing a print launch, and that will be later this year, beginning of next year. And it'll be the exact same journaling prompts, but in print version. So any feedback you have on the digital version would be super helpful. We want to make sure we get that right before I have, 500 notebooks sitting in the back room with a mistake in them. So check out the printable. Let me know your thoughts as you begin journaling, and I cannot wait to hear the amazing things you accomplish. It's all about mindset, gratitude, and really getting deliberate about the small steps we're going to take every day that creates our career success. And the digital goal journal is going to help get you there. We even have a Dear Diary section in the evening, which I just think is so much fun. Takes me back to when I was a young girl, and it's just a lot of fun to just write a couple lines every night reflecting on the day. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day. I cannot wait to hear from you. I know you're going to accomplish amazing things. Bye-bye.